So ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng Obsessed Race. Nakita ko lang to sa mga hindi ko nalalaro. Play games. Was forced to leave my friend Rystol and hire Valeria. Valeria is the child who's bred and she lives alone. Okay. I suggest Valeria plays Marine. Done. Exit. Okay. La. Wow. Nice graphics. Tapos. Okay. So yun yung mga deliver ko. Sino mga deliver. Ganun. Okay. Deliver. Korea. Why is this close? I have some remaining package that need to be delivered a few houses in this housing complex. In that case, I have to leave my car here and deliver this package. Get the package from the car. Right. Okay. Home address. Block B4C. Number 02. Name Ryan. Diba? Yun. I think this is a house address. Okay. Now. Hello? Ryan? Are you here? Ryan? Dungog. Kanina. Oh! Okay. Excuse me, sir. You have Ryan, right? You are Ryan, right? I want to deliver a package for you. Package? Order ka, hindi mo alam. Kapun ko to eh. Package. Alright, I forgot I order a package. Okay. Ito na Ryan. Ano ito? Kinag ko. Nag-vlog ko.
Roblox ka?
Nag-vlog. Hold on, sir. Could I ask you for a favor? Ano yun? Ask for what favor? I want to record myself opening this package as evidence in case the item does not match in that. Okay. I'm on the guys in the film while I open this package. Oh, of course. Oh, Diyos ko po tayo. Ginaganap cellphone mo. Binay mo cellphone. Pag-lead. Goods. Right. Record. Ayun. Open na. This is the recording. O, lagi yun. Record na. Lagi. Ayun, ang puser. Grabe. Naya lang ba? Grabe po lang ako. High blood ka, sir? Ya, kira? Cuman, thank you, sir, for helping me. This is the first time I order from a different app, so I was little doubtful. Oh, first time pa din yun. Okay, I understand. But this turn out the items is fine. There is no damage. Baka na-damage na yan yung ano, yung pagbukas mo. Ay, pick up. Once again, thank you, sir, for helping me feel. You're welcome. Good job. I was doing my job. Okay. X. Yeah. Liam. Where are you, Liam? Okay, Liam. Leah, here's your package. Missy. Arkan. Ay, yung bus. Leah. Where are you? I'm here. Oh my god. Leah. Black A1. A numbers. Right. So, may mabaliw ka. May mga ano tayo. Black A1. Leah. Oh, adara. Ano? I think this is the house address. Hello? Hello! May tao ba dito? Hello! Tao po! Ay, tara. Is this your package? Okay. Of course, it's me. Why did you come so late? Ano kong late? Bagay. We've been seeing since this afternoon. Afternoon. Sorry God. Layo kayo yung balay ba? Bagay tanong. Hello, sir. Tapon ko to. Oh, lul. Tapon ko to. Yan na. Sungit. Ano ka? What are you doing at my girlfriend's house? Nagdi-deliver. Nagdi-deliver nga. Just trying to deliver package. Sino ka? Ba? Ano nga? Kung ikaw yung boyfriend. Bagay? Bagay. Just your boyfriend. I don't care. Of course, you don't care. You don't have girlfriend. You don't have a wife. Where is your wife, old man? Grabe to. Aray ko ah. Ikaw na may girlfriend. Shut your mouth. Hey. What are you doing? Boyfriend mo nandito sa labas. Oh. Boyfriend mo yan? Boyfriend mo multo? Multo ba boyfriend mo? Multo ba boyfriend mo, boy? Bakit? Bakit? Saman. Bagay? Ay, bagay. Sa ating mga ano, mga boyfriend, idaganan ko nga naman. Wala, hindi na boyfriend ito, talawan, bagay ito. Bagay, bagay. Na, ito, ano, papa ni mo, gulat ni mo. Papa ba si gulat? Ito. Ako na ko itong boyfriend, kita na ko itong. Sulod. Kaya si Tanaw. Bahala ka. Puta. Uy, sino ni? Sadong. Psst. Daganan ko na. My car tire. Aba na, uy. Iplatan pa ko. Ay, trip pa rin. Ano, tapos bagay yun ako. Home address, Black Beach. Sexy. Number 8. Saan naman po ni? Deliver the package to the address. Okay. Kaya ang kola. Sige, liyaran. Sa mana ni? Package. I think this is the house address. Ayu, ayu, kadungo ba eh. Tao mo. Ang package. I have package deliver and far away. Okay. Ay, tama. I'm tama. So I am wrong. Ganun. But I can receive the packages in his instead. Okay. I can't leave it. This package must be received. Farrell, I will wait here until Farrell comes accept the package. I will wait here. Ganun. Mapa? Ay, right. Kanin. Tuloy hatag. Uy, nabili kayo bomba na pero sabi rin. Ano kami? Ipinkan sa bata ko na tayo. Sorry for that. Okay, take care. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Ligarilyo na rin. Guba ba na gana? Daga. Okay. So, alright. Ah. Pretty sure you don't know the person who deflated your tire. Di, sir. Bobby. I didn't manage to see their face. They ran away. I got close. I don't know I don't know what their goal was. Nanti-trip. No. Are you alone in that con? Siyempre. Sama ba ako? Yes, why? Have you ever met child in the missing poster? What do you mean? What is inside your car? Di ba delivery? I'm just package delivery guy. I'm not what you think. O, di ba? I'm just a delivery guy. Bro. Ah, funny. Thank you. Let's close this because it's nothing. As maybe it's got kidnapped by some ghosts. Totoo ng ghosts. I don't know what happened. I'm sure he won't be found. Okay, for the police. Still available and culture. No, nakita ba nila yung call trip? Hmm? My child, they still have not been able to find my sweet baby. Oh, Valeria. There's one package left in the car, but the address is not this. Uwi muna tayo. Ugh, my God. I'm going home. And okay, I'm going to sleep. Susunod. Want to have smoke first. Mabisyo ka, boy. Have cigarette, smoke, then sleep. Sleep right away. No. Nag-ready muna tayo. Pagbigyan natin pagbigyan. The kidnapper people were taking the bomb. The kidnapper from the Valeria. Valeria, it's been 5 months. I don't know where you are, where you are. I only saw blood on the floor, but until now, I don't know whose blood it was. Some blood. This is my fault. Cat. Some blood. Some blood. Asa mo ba ito? Ito mag-blood. Let's go to sleep. Hmm. Tulog na. Okay. Uncle Arya. Help! Ah, ito pala si Wally Arya. Why did not Uncle Arya help me? Wally ko. Tatanong mo. Why did Uncle Arya leave me alone here? Malay ko nga. Why? Ba't ka iniwan? Wala ko. Wala ko. Stop it! Stop! Don't! 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 Why? Oh my God. I just want to buy a medicine from my mom. That person is always watching me. tama na naman. Ah, okey, tama na. Wala na kaya akong pader. Okey, tama na. Ah, ah, stop that. Stop that. Tama na yan. Stop that. No. Nag-painting ka pa diyan. Wala, nangyari? No. Ah, alam binangungot ka na. Hmm, ah, ano 'to? Missing Plaza Villoria. That's Valeria pala. Sorry, Foster. Valeria is what you really are. I hope you're still alive. I hope so. Sana buhay ka pa. Sana buhay. Shh.
Sige nga.
Mm.
Alam ko.
Okay. Ano to? Wow, pansit log. Pansit at itlog. This must be enough for them. For them? Kasi ikaw ba ako dari? Take the pot. Then place here. Oh, sabi pala eh. Okay. Tapos, what is next? I will grab 3 plates while waiting for the noodles. Kasi kauban na yun eh. 3 plates. Okay. Here you go, your 3 plates. So, di ba lang? Narito na. Yan na. 3 plates. Go to the bedroom. Bedroom. Lo? Knocker ko? Who are you guys? Time to eat. Gagi. Pwede kinapper tayo rin. Eh, hey kid, let's go to eat. Can you hear me? Yun ako.
Wala ko sa nakon.
Uy, killer din dati. Hmm. Oh my God. Tang ina mo. Ay, Gulat ako. Hype ka. Oh my God, let's drive. Talaga talaga yun. Ala! Bangga. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, let's go to drive. Kakabayan na ba na? Okay, okay, okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go! Kanan bangga na. Utura. Bangga agad. Lang yan. So this is my last delivery to Stop Fortnite. Oh, last delivery. Okay, okay. Home address QoS 11. Okay. 7, 8, 11. Sa taas. Okay. 12, 11. You, 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 dungog. Ah! Hello, Mr. Kevin. I already told you. I will pay the dorm rent next week, I promise. Please don't kick me out. I don't have anywhere else to live. I will definitely kiss me. Kevin. Oh, ikaw si Kevin? Eh, pogi ah. Pogi Kevin ah. Order mo. Sorry, sorry. I thought you were the owner of this dorm. Eh, deliver na ako. It's okay. No, bastos naman. Sarado agad. Ganun. Don't thank you. Pogi, wala namang respeto. Home address, POS, 009% 9 lira. So,
Boy!
you, you, dumugay. Are you, yeah. Can I help you with something? Your package is here. What to deliver a package? Oh, yes, that's my package. Okay. I didn't expect the package to arrive this quickly. Even thought I only ordered it last night. Okay, madam. Thank you. Yun. Yun, nagte-thank you. Next package. Ardan. Ginagawa ang boss. JOC. Gabi na. Pumasok ka na. POS yan. Sige pala to. Ito na. Package mo. Uy. Ay, 7 pala to. Sige man. Kailangan talaga tatlong. Ano, walang sasagot. Ayun. Are you Ardan? Finally, my package is here. I was just about to go to sleep. Hindi matulog ka na. Thank you for being on time, sir. I'm going to open this package right away. And used to it. Oh, sige na. Laban nito. Kunin mo na. Tulog ang ano ha. Hindi nag-thank you. Next package. Pareto. Number 10. Yung 9 plus asin 10. 12. 6. 5. Ay, 5, 6. Ay, nalala. Okay. 11, 10. You. Mula, oy. You. Sipa, muro ni. You. Is there no one here? May siguro nag-imo something sulod ba? You. Tao doon. I'll ask the tenant kung natin. Excuse me for bothering you. Do you know where the tenant of room certain? She isn't. You mean Reva? Oh, Reva. Okay. It's Reva on this package. Do you know where she is? Oh, nawawala ba siya? Sir, I have not seen her for several days now either. Did you see the person who is smoking downstairs? As far as I know, he was close with Reva Tres. O talaga na yun. Ako pa talaga. Kahit na pogi yun. Boy. Excuse me. I wanted to ask. What is it? This package belonged to the tenant of room 10. But when I knocked on her door, nobody answered. Room 11. And he said, you and Reva are close. You. If you don't mind me asking where is Reva, I need to deliver this package to her. At campus Reva and I the same class, but I don't know where she is. Okay. Beside that, it's none of my business. Maybe she out with her boyfriend. Okay. Alright, if that's the case, I will just put this package in front of her door. Sorry for bothering you, sir. Right. Come to think. Oy! Sabi pogi ka? How did you go? He doesn't know either. Okay. Ulit ka. Ah, my God, oh my God. Ay, Diyan ka pala. Your face is covered in words. Open the door. Okay, what is now, sir? What are you doing? The room is door closed. Like, how could it be open? The door opened by itself. Maybe you are tired, sir. Sometimes exhaustion causes strange hallucination. Ay, ganun. Di wow. Ay! Can you stop knocking on the door? Walk normally without... Pwede ba yun? Pwede na. So, ninja. Ah, isa ko ninja. Ninja ko. Ah, ninja. Playing game, but your footsteps sound like the enemy footstep. Ano naman? No, stupan. Click lang dyan. Like ka lang, boy. Apologize lang dyan. Nung yun. Masyadong... Okay. Clara. Room 06. 06, 06. Tas. Okay. Go. You. Excuse me. Ay, no, kay kung nuna po tao diri ah. Ay! Ay, ma'am. Mag-package mo. What do you want? Mag-package. Paper. I'm not finished with it project. So, di na magkuha ng package ka nan. Kaya ka na nilapad. I just want to deliver this package. Your name is Clara, right? Clara. I never ordered a package. Then what is this? If you are in the package delivery guy, go to your room 003, then place the package inside there. Wow, yun, nanugo pa nga mo. 03. Dali. 003 daw. Hindi. Room 33 out. 003. Ano sabi yan? So, ito order, di mo kuha. Sabay. Ito din yung butang. Okay. There. I only see a cat here. Is this the key that's on this cat collar? I have to wake this cat up first. But I need chicken bone to wake it. Maybe there's a bone trash. Bone. Chicken bone. May bone rib. May bone rib. Bone. May bone. Yun, bone. Give it to the cat. Okay. Ming! Iba kong Ming. Meow. Wait, wala. Si So to bother you, that missing child. Who is it? Your child? He's my little brother. Oh, this is the second time I've seen missing footsteps. So, none of your business. Okay, bye. None of my business pala. Yun na lang ako. Hanap na rin ba? Ay, ito. Oh, okay. Kanino na ito? I forwarded deliver 5 package. Then whose package is this? Ewan ko. Okay. The recipient name is not written, but the address. Saan yung address? I know where this address is. Purok Bagus, Rosan. Isa. Filipino game ba to? Did someone intentionally create this package? Why is this package addressed to Valeria's house? Ah, Valeria's house. So, babalik na naman ako dun. 30 minutes later. Okay, this is so quiet. I haven't been here again since the residents moved to a new rent place. Oh, so lumipat pala sila. Ah, sorry. Bakit? Okay. Here's the package. Assembly. Paano ko ba kaya na ito? Cavalry. I guess it's not. So, but why? What is this package address? Here. Okay. So, papasok ako dito, ganun. Okay. The door is locked. I need something to open this door. Oh my god, the door is locked. Ano dito? Yun. May pin. Ito. Okay. Kaya Hold E. Hold C. Okay. Yun. Open sesame. Okay, so, ano yan? Papasok na tayo. Let's go to the inside, outside. Yun. There's no one here. Yes. Walang tao dito. is this first person who actually ordered this package? Familiar tong bahay na to. Okay, iwan na natin dito. Ayan. Actually, what is inside this package? I have to open it. No, don't open it. Don't open it. Don't open it. I need a knife. A knife. I don't have a knife. Okay. Open the package. Ano yun? Grabe yung mukha ko. Yupi-yupi na. Okay. So, this is nothing inside this package. Wala ba? Except then a piece of paper. Solid paper. Is this a money? Victor. Who is Victor? Look. Ikaw ba si Victor? Oh my God. What are you doing? What are you doing? Para si bossing to. Bossing. Hindi ba na? Answer me. Answer me. Why? What are you doing? Ah, si Tama. Si Tama pala to. Okay. I know where's Valeria is. What do you mean? So, si Valeria? I know the person who is with Valeria. So, sino si Valeria? Ah, si Valeria. Tama. Last ng tama mo rin, ano? His name is written inside the package. Victor. Yes, and that package. I am the one who made it and put inside your car. Ah, ikaw pala yun. So, ikaw dito di ah. I delivered with this house address because this is Valeria house. Okay, 5 months ago I kept track. Okay, na. Nasa si Valeria. I don't know. Di mo alam? You don't know how to, where is Valeria? I don't know what is Victor. I was joking. I only wanted to cheer him up because his grandmother has passed away at that time. I did not know healthcare Chris. Victor has been Chris. Victor is Victor. What is Victor? I don't know before. Hindi mo pala alam eh. Okay. I don't know if I reached your mother house a few days ago, but there was no one there. After 5 months have passed, why are you only telling me now? Forgive me. If only I had taken a picture that Victor definitely would have handed there. Okay. Let's forgive me.
Teacher.
Don't kill.
Teacher. Kaya. Ano? Iwan.
Don't kill siguro di ba ang tama? You did not kill me. I don't know. I feel like my phone. So because tapos ay iba pala yung ano. Iba pala yung ano kanina. Hindi pala ako yan. Tapos sino to? Are you sure you can successfully run away from here? Ito pala yung kidnapper. Hindi ako yun. Hindi pala ako yung kidnapper. I'm sure I can. I definitely can. Can't stay here forever. Once I manage to escape, I will look for more. Okay.
Dodong! Dodong! Nakidnap ka, Dodong! Bakit ka nakidnap, Dodong?
We can definitely out of it.
And meet our parents again.
Ayan. Magali kasi kapag gabi. Ayan, nagtutap tuloy. So, okay yun. Remember, don't make a sound. Walk slowly and don't make a noise. Okay, held shift. Okay, sorry. Ay. Dandanan. Dandanan. Ay, pero ma-open. Ba labasan dito? Skip. Ay, skip na ako. Open the door. But I can't reach it. I need some kind of time. Kunin natin yung karton. Baka ito yung ano. Or
Dodong! Halika na! Escape na tayo!
dadalhin ko. Diba? Ready? Bakit yung karton? Bakit hindi nadalabas na ano? Or ito? TV? Ano? Ah, ito. Bote. Ay, hindi. Ay, si Dodong. Dodong, help. Hindi. Ayun. Ito to eh. Ay. Ay. Move dispenser first. Pwede naman yung karton eh. Kasi ito pa. Grabe naman. Pinahirapan mo pa ako. Dadan lang. Yang pas pa kaya di sa lasing mata. Okay pa di ba? Yeah, para to. Yun. Tapos. Open sesame. Open mo na. Oh, hala. Nahimatay. Napatay. Nagising. Takot ka tutay.
Dodong! Help me! May plan. Dodong. Ayo lah.
First of all, sino ko? Ako yung Arik. April. Sino si April? April. Eh, ano ito? Hello? Hello? Reset. Hello? Bo. Yung TNT mo dyan. Package mo. Oh, package. Yes, that's package. Actually, I already canceled this package. But okay, it's fine. Deliver ka. Sige, cancel na. Grabe naman. Kenji. B1. Ay, B1. B2. B3. Ay, B3. A4. Nasa siguro. Block. Trap. Yan. Tapo. Po.
Ito ba? Ay, puta na mo. Nagaan. Ito. Ito yung package mo. Kunin mo na. Wari. Nagtatanong ka pa. Ito package na eh.
Oh.
Package na mo na personal. Okay. Here's a packet for Kenji.
Is that you? How did you know? Hello po. May address nga eh. Tatanong ka pa. If the address matches the person. Must also match right. Just kidding. Di ba? Ano yan? Kapag thank you. Iko. C1. Layo naman ng mga mabahay niyo. C1. C1 dito. C3. C4. C3. C2. Green. C1. Okay, ito. Knock. Tagal ah. Upload ko to. Sound like someone is talking. At di mo bubuksan. Yes. Wait for now. Gaano ka ba dun na matatagal mong bukas? Yung short mo, dukot-dukot pa. At ang latahan yun. Oh, bakit mo? What is it, sir? Coming to my house late at night. What? Want some coffee? No! Just want to deliver this package. Kaya na naman, I deliver. Hindi alam kung may package sila. They already package. Paano ko kaya sa'yo to? What they said as matches. And your name is Nico, right? Wait, where's package 4? Nico? Ay, hindi pala sa'yo to, sir. Sorry, sir. I'm sorry. Whether to ayos. That's right. Tara. Nico, I think I should be living in apartment D1. Apartment D1 pa dyan. Sorry. Block D1. D1. Ito. Hello?
Hello. Matatagal yung mabuhay mo kaya. Ito, package mo.
Nico, what is it, sir? What's your name, Nico? Yes. Yes. Have you ever ordered from by did you write the address no? Loko ka. Order ka tapos mali yung address. Are you stupid? Boom, boom. Yan. Yan, sige. Ano yun? Sorry, sir. I don't understand. What do you mean? You wrote the address wrong on this page. The address you wrote C1, not D1. Which is partial shade out of us. Because of the... Ito na. Loko ka. Order ka, tapos nagmamadali ka. Yan, ito ba eh. Maglabasan dito. Wala. Ano to, Maze? Ay, baka maligaw po ako dito. Tar. Tar. Tar na nga dito. Ay,
Nagkait Alex. Wow.
tayo kay Tar. Tar. Wala palang daanan dito.
Wala. 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 Style. Wala. Naman ko sa tuta. Yeah. Wala. Cool. Nagkakakuha na.
At sumama na bigla na naunawa dahil na parang isa't kitang mata.
Yeah, may password sa program. Password sa program.
Di ba dapat dito tapos dito eh. Opo,
Tuduan ka. Tuduan ka.
are you...
Ah.
Ito na tatlong kaya teka, kaya ako sabi. Is there anything I can help you? I want to deliver this package. It's addressed to Tara. Ikaw ba yun, Tara? Taray mo? Why was it only sent today? I apologize. I have done my best to ensure punctuality. It's okay. Ito na. Kaya naman to, parang miss. Naliligaw ko eh. Ano to? Ay, hindi. Back in, okay. Okay, C4. C4. Saan ang C4 dito? A2, okay. A3. C1, C2, green, C3. Saan yung C4? C4 agad. Ako, ito ba si ano? Si Adria. Sabi siya. You're a package for me. Finally, it's here. It's fine. Okay. Ito na, wala ka na. Tatagal pa eh. Hindi naman magte-thank you. Okay. One package addressed to this location.
Ito mo. Ale.
Address
Kuya.
to
Yan. Di ba sir kung mga
Victor?
Kaya,
Victor? Look, dito si Uncle Oreo. I said, what did know? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you, my friend? Where are you, my friend Valeria? I hear your voice. I know you are here. Nako, nahulog yung package. Hindi ka babayaran yan, boss. Na-open na. Nasira na yung package, boss. Ano to?
ito, nangyari ako. 32.
Poison?
Ay, nangyari ko, ma'am.
May poison? Ano to? Exposition ingredients. What are they for? Eh, Victor. What is this cookie? Ano? Saan ba? Oo. Is it like poison house? Tapos, ano? Tawag na eh. Ay, my God. Uy, kilala kita. Ito yung kidnapper, Gogi. Give me, I want to deliver this package. Your name is Victor, right? Sungit. Ito po na bahay niya. Tawag na ako ng polis. Tawag na ako ng polis. Get in the car ng beer. Leave na tayo. Ito naka-auto rin ako. Akala ko appointed ako. Victor. You see the Victor, the person who's talking. Siya nga yun. His name is Victor. Tapos, patay. Good hit. Sakay. Uli. Uli. Be the Victor who kidnapped Valeria. Balikan mo. Suntukin mo yung mukha ano. Sa Valeria inside the house. If I'm not mistaken, I think I heard Valeria voice just close. Narinig mo pala eh. Oo. Pati na pinasok na lang. Tapos sinuntok yung type na Victor na yan. Na. Leave na. I have to go back there immediately. Come on. Let's go back to the Victor house. It's there. Valeria. Parang walang Valeria. Walang bata yung Bakit ada? Para toilet, wait. Victor. Her name is Valeria. Do you know? I don't know if can believe her name. Palusot. Galing mo mapalusot, kuya. Liar. I know who you are. You open the door where I will break down this door right now. Yes, spy mo. Sipain mo. No. No. Hmm. Yan, spy mo. Hmm. Done. Valeria? Inside. Open the door. Just okay, spy mo. Yan. Nandun ang bata. You guys are children from the missing poster. Hanapin natin si Victor na sa loob. Baka nandyan ka, Victor. Mabas ka na. At sunod ko. Oops. Yan. Sige na, takas na kayo. I'll take you from... Come on. Tara. He's
He's behind me, isn't it? I feel his breath.
Oh my God. Who are you? What are you doing here? Pinagpakulan yung mga bata. Bakit? You are a kidnapper.
You are the one who kidnapped Valeria, right?
Correct.
What is she?
Wala na. Dedo na. Wow. Galing ah. Riz. Hey. Hey. Ay, ano nga natin? Hey, Jackie Chan versus Kung Fu Panda. Ay, diba? Jackie Chan versus Chit Li. Hey. Bah! Grabe, ang gulo ng buto. Taekwondo. Yeah, yan. Taekwondo. Because you did not kill Tama, he came and helped you just in time. Oo, di ba? Ano ko, chase ko. The two missing children were successfully saved. Ay, Victor goes to prison. Ay, but ang Valeria. Yeah, Valeria. Patay na. Siyempre, patay siguro yun. Nakita ko mga ghost na rin. Obsessed Race. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng story. Nice one. Isa sa developer nito. Ang ganda pa ng graphics.